Hey everybody, I'm standing here outside the old bakery that's coming up for sale. It is an amazing property. It's a huge place and we're in a nice private quiet location. You can hear birds singing all around and we've got lots of big trees as you can see, and there's actually a beautiful little stream that runs just behind these trees. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to show you that. Maybe this isn't the best place to have a look. Okay, let's have a look while we're here. Set the scene. Someone's been dumping a load of manure down here. Yeah, you can see there, little stream bed, so you get a bit of an idea for the location that we're in. We're in the village of Stadena today, and yeah, I hope you can hear me over this bird sound. This bird song so loud. I don't know the price of the property yet, so I'm going to have to say click on the link in the description. That will take you through to the website where you'll see all the photos for the property and the price will be listed there. So this is the bakery. It is the old village bakery where all the village bread and pastries used to be produced, and it also contains this garage here, and this road leads into it. Now I'm not 100% sure on the actual borders. I'll talk you through what I understand it to be a little bit as we walk through. You've got these gates here that take you in, and from the side I think you'll start to get an idea of the depth of the property. Come up here, show you this. It does contain this area, which is actually a large garden space. Just compared to the building, you know, it's not huge, but it make a beautiful private garden. You can see how big this place really is. And while I'm here, I'm going to show you inside this garage. See, the doors have been bricked up so they could be turned into a kind of guest accommodation, I think. The roof's not too bad, it's all original, but it doesn't look too bad. Might have had some work done on it. I know that the roof of the actual bakery was restored probably 5 years ago, maybe longer. So this place actually had a lot of money spent on it, had a lot of work done on it. You might already notice that you've got new double glazing windows all the way around. The place has been sat empty for years now, unfortunately has been slightly vandalised and a couple of the windows have been broken, but most of them are okay. You've got a new front door over there. The roof still looks pretty good. I can see a few cracked tiles you're going to have to replace, but the roof and the chimney are all in pretty good condition, and that is a huge bonus already for somewhere like this. It's, you know, with my family having renovated an old school in a similar sized building, you know how much it cost. You know, with a roof this big, it's 4 times the size of a roof of a normal house. All the rendering on the outside's been done. You know, there's 4 times as much rendering as another house. There's 4 times as many windows. There's 4 times as much cable. It's just enormous. So the fact that a lot of the work's already been carried out is a massive bonus, but it does need quite a lot, as you'll see while we walk around. As I said, we're in a really quiet location. There's the bridge down there that runs over the stream, and if you follow this road up there, you're only a couple-minute walk to the centre. I think the border for the plot probably runs along this tree line, and I think local farmers, just because it's an empty space, have just been using it as a place to park some ploughs and some farm machinery. We're right on the back of the village park, well, like a very old village park / village green, which is no longer really used or maintained. But I'm just to give you an idea of the location, I'm going to walk up here. So I don't think the border goes much further than where I'm walking now, but you've got enough space around the property to have a beautiful private garden, to grow some veg, to keep some animals, whatever you want to do. And you've got this beautiful park here on your doorstep, big mature trees, loads of birds. It's just beautiful. And you might hear that car going past. Just where you can see that house through there, there's a road that goes through the centre of the village, and that's the main road up there. But you'll probably just hear that from in your garden, but only very quietly, and I'm sure you wouldn't hear that from inside the house. beautiful pink cercis coming out there, and some beautiful plants actually all around. You can tell it's good fertile soil, how tall everything is. We're in the middle of May right now. You see the pine forest up on the hill behind us. Really lovely spot. So I'm going to come in, show you through the bakery. So we come into this hallway and into this massive, big kind of kitchen, dining room, living room area. And while I'm here, I'll show you the couple of rooms that are coming off to the sides. Here there's a bathroom, we've got the plumbing in place, but you need new taps and new toilet. There was toilet and running water in there at one point. Another shower in here, and again you have got the plumbing in place. This here was part of what was actually the bakery, and I don't think I ever actually saw this place while it was before the renovation started. It's a good friend of mine that carried out the renovations. I don't remember seeing how this looked or how this worked, and I think some of it's been bricked up. But this, you can see this is partly where they would have taken the ash out, I think, in these gaps here, and where they would have made the fire. It would have all been fire powered back in the day. You've got fire bricks in there, and I have peered over this before to try and see, but there's a huge space in the middle of the building, which is just kind of redundant, and I think that was the oven. We'll walk through here and then I'll show you. This is the sort of front door you saw from the first courtyard area that I showed you around the side of the property. You've got concrete ceilings on this part, tiled floors. Unfortunately this room here is quite damp, but it can all be fixed. Probably needs a new roof on top of this bit, maybe, not too sure. The walls are quite green, so it's just got damp. Maybe you want to dig the floors out and damp proof the floors, probably. That's probably a few things to do, but what's great about this is that this part of the building where I'm standing at the minute, this can be a project for later days. You can make this into a couple of houses, you could live in one part, and it would be much easier to move into the part of the property I'm going to show you next, and then work on this at a later date. Maybe turn this into guest accommodation through here on this side of the property. So again, we'll come through into this large kitchen, dining room, living room area. Small kind of, what do you call it? Cupboard space, trying to think, closet area. The whole place was rewired. Very echoey in here, as you can hear. Yeah, so you've got new cables and you have got new sockets. It is all going to need a little bit of work. I think there was even some plumbing for central heating. I'm not certain on that, but there's a lot of work that needs to be done. The consumer unit used to be on the wall here. That's no longer there anymore. So the fuse board needs a new fuse board. But it's going to be an amazing space, this. All nicely plastered, and it's all nicely painted still. You could probably clean up a lot of this wall. I'm going to repaint some of it. This room here looks like not much has happened, but this is the other side of the, you can see the chimney there coming up through. Another part of the actual oven. First bedroom through here. Again, all nicely plastered and painted. New electrical sockets, and there was an ensuite here, so that was a bathroom there, and you can see the plumbing, a little bit of plumbing there. Second bedroom. Same sort of situation again, they're nice big rooms. I hope you can actually hear me, it's so echoey. These ceilings are probably pushing 4 metres, 3.5 to 4 metres tall. such big empty rooms. Again, there's some plumbing on the wall over there. I'm not sure what that was for actually. Maybe there was a boiler on the wall by the looks of things. Again, sockets everywhere, nicely plastered and painted. And here's probably what I'd call your main front door, and this will be your main entrance. I've not got the keys to it at the minute. And then another room. And I think this was a bathroom because in the centre of the floor down there you've got drainage. I think this is probably where the water comes into the house. And then door out that way into the road. Or into the garden. So there you have it. It's quite sad to see it in this state, but I really hope that someone can see the potential with this and wants to take it on. Oh, my apologies, this is where the water comes into the house, unless there's 2 points perhaps with a property like this, but there you've got your water meter, so I'm guessing that's where the water comes in. Did I even show you this bit? What is this up here? Oh yeah, I did, yeah. It's just such a big place. I saw this, didn't notice those windows, double doors on that side, because they've got some materials and cabinets piled up against them. So yeah, there's the bakery. Thanks so much for watching. If you've got any questions, you can leave us a comment down below. Like I said, for more information, click the link in the description below, and that will take you through to our website, and there should be some more information on there. Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to be kept up to date with everything that we're up to and new properties that we find. And as always, we'll see you again really soon in the next video.